Alright guys, welcome. Today we're going to do a little install of emblems. Things you'll need are some plastic pry tools, something like goo gone or alcohol, something to take the goo off, and a heat gun. As you can see, mine's kind of chipped up and I want to do the new style. Go a little throwback, old school Impreza emblems. I am going to be doing this with my GoPro, so hopefully it looks okay. Let's get into it. You just want to keep moving the heat, don't leave it on one area for too long. With this, you just gotta be patient. Remember, all your glue is gonna be right here on the actual emblem. If you're trying to save these, which I don't really care about, you gotta be careful of the heat on the plastic there. A little hot. Make sure you have a rag with you. You can see this emblem was replaced, obviously. They used 3M tape on top of the normal stickiness because this one didn't fit properly. Did scuff it up just a tidbit, but it's not like I'm reusing these. If I'm going to reuse anything, it's to redo the actual emblem piece here. Different logo. But now we clean it. Now, my personal preference when doing anything that's like 3M is to wipe it all down. Like, see, if that stuff wasn't coming off, use a little alcohol. Just in case there's any goo gone left, you don't want it messing with your new adhesive. So, luckily, I'm diabetic, so I always have alcohol wipes lying around the house. Or a bottle of alcohol. Obviously, the big one goes on the front. just want to peel the 3M off. He's going with and press. Really nice. Press. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. I don't like that wiggle. Now it's not wiggling. That's what we like to see. Beautiful. This one has the same thing. It's because it's got a kind of press in there so that it holds the bezel. Nice. Now we move on to the back. So the back end is going to be exactly the same. The only difference is obviously you want to be careful of your paint because there is no plastic grill. So try to generalize your heat right in the center point and just constantly keep moving it. Be patient. And I would suggest using a cloth when you start to pry. You're not digging into your paint. GoPro died, so you won't have that view. If that view came out good. I don't know what will be in the video. I'll let Jeremy decide that. Alright guys, let's get to it. Back one's obviously a lot harder to do, and a lot of the goo is going to stay on the paint. So the cleaning process on this is much harder. Luckily, I didn't scratch any of my paint. Obviously, chipped with the emblem. To me, if you're doing this, you shouldn't do it on ones that you're going to try to save the emblem. Also, you had to use a pick to find an area where there was a little bit of gap to slide in my plastic pry tools. And most of my plastic pry tools are now kind of broken. The 3M did not want to come off. Alright, I'm going to clean this and get the next one on. I'll show you the finished results. Alright, I don't want to time lapse me cleaning this, but obviously this is going to be your biggest pain. But make sure you have a clean surface for the new emblem to go on. I know a lot of people are like, just get the majority off and stick the new emblem on there, it'll be fine. Keep in mind 3M tape, you want a clean surface. This is why a lot of people have like the vortex generators flying off on the roadway. clean it. Goo Gone will take it off, a little elbow grease, some alcohol. It just takes time. It probably took me about 15 minutes probably to get it perfect like this. So take your time, clean it off, then you can get ready to put the new emblem on. Now that we're clean, we're dry, let's get the new one on. Oh. There we have it.